Murisei, welcome back to Shona Land. In this video, I'll be teaching you the phrase "What time is it?" in Shona. Okay, so the phrase "What time is it?" in Shona, it's inguvai, inguvai, inguvai. Okay, it's as simple as that. Just recap, what time is it? In Shona, it's inguvai. So to respond, it's like you just say the time. If it's 2 o'clock, you tell the person it's 2 o'clock. If it's 5 o'clock, tell the person it's 5 o'clock. That's how you respond to it. So if you want to ask for time, it's inguvai, inguvai. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, to like our videos, and subscribe to our channel. Ndatenda. See you in the next one.